Today we're going to be customizing a tumbler with duct tape. Duncan, what? How's that even possible? How you come up with something like that? Oh, that's easy. So a lot of people say they have trouble coming up with manly designs. But all you have to do is just follow them around for a while, watch what they do, and then apply that to the design. Can't be that simple. It's really that easy. Here, let's go observe one in the wild, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Come on, I think there's one in here. Oh, there he is right there. Come here, let's go see. Go, 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 go. Oh, come on. Are you kidding? Oops. No worries. Good as new. See what I mean? What? All right, here we go. Oh, gosh. Oh, what the? Forget that. Jeez Louise. Get back over there. Oh, some nice work you got there. Good as new. Oh, jeez, there's a bug in my ear. All right. Let's get it. Gosh, dang it. How the heck with that? There. Good as new. Hey, where's my cup? Seems like duct tape is a go-to for home Mr. Fix-It there. Only seems logical that we use duct tape to make a sweet customized tumbler. I mean, it did work pretty well for that banana. Besides, this cup totally did not previously belong to anybody. Let's get started. I'll get that in a minute. It's just adding character. Don't worry about it. All right, now to get started, you may notice this is a very odd shaped tumbler, and I've got to give a shout out to a lady who sent me a bunch of tumblers about a year ago actually from Craft Haven. Thank you so much, and I'm excited to use this weird oddly shaped, but I thought it would make the perfect duct tape tumbler. I don't know, a lot of you are going to be triggered because they're like, no, it's a barrel, it's a barrel. Listen, hey, if you did everything the way everybody thought you should do, then what do we got, huh? Think outside the box, people. I'm helping you out. If you notice, I do have some super sweet, grimy handprints on here from working under the old engine because I totally know what I'm doing under there. So I want to utilize that. I'm going to leave some of those showing, which will give it good character, good background. Somebody dropped it, and there's a ding over here. But one thing I want to encourage you, not try to be perfect, okay? I'm not even looking at it. Okay, look, boom. A lot of you think, hey, I got to use a whole piece. No, you don't. My suggestion would be to vary up the sizes. Use long pieces, use short pieces, use shriveled pieces like this one right here. Where did you go? I'm gonna pick that up. Don't do that again. But since you're here, let me show you the piece I'm talking about. Right there, see a little tethered edge right there? Isn't that cool? Oh, that's just game changer. I mean, if you really think about it. Where did you go this time? Gosh, you gotta stop doing that. You know what? I got a good thing for you. Come here. I'll show you. You stay right here. You won't go anywhere now. There. Now maybe you can stay still so I can finish this video. Good old duct tape really does come in handy. All right, we are making this thing random and messy, but there are a few rules that we do need to follow if you want to epoxy this with success. Pieces like this that folded under, it's not going to stay down. You can either remove it, cut it off, or what I'm going to do, layer the duct tape with more duct tape. And also, not again. Oh, hey, you almost got me again. I'm glad you're a little closer because I want to show you this. Even though we have wrinkles, you want to try to flatten it. That's going to make your life a lot easier when you go to epoxy. Okay, so let's keep taping. Look at that beauty. Another cool variation you can do is tear off half and leave a weird shape like that. That'll work great for the bottom down here. That's just like the small little details that'll help yours pop more and stand out better than just looking like the others that is just a blob of silver, okay? That's what I'm here for. You're welcome. And when you get it exactly just the way you want, you're gonna wanna give your duct tape a few minutes to dry. There, that should be long enough. Now don't lie, I got a few of you with that. You're like, oh yeah, I need to let duct tape dry. It's dry already, so we're ready to move on to the next step. We're gonna write on it with Pashka. So for this, I was trying to think of a phrase, something cool that a guy would say after he fixed something with duct tape. And literally, just how about fixed it? And on the back, I'm gonna do like a little logo. I felt like it would be cool to have like a crossbones looking thing, be of a wrench and a screwdriver. And the back would be right here. Make me a little X right there. That marks the middle of the spot. Close enough. So we're gonna do the wrench like so. Somebody quick, tell me in the comments, what size wrench is this? Of course, you could always take and epoxy this first to make it nice and smooth, then do a vinyl on here. But to me, that would defeat the purpose. It would look too neat, and that's not really what we're going for here. And I know some of you are like, well, oh my gosh, I can't draw anything. Look at this. Look at how I'm doing this. That's kind of the point, is to not be perfect. Let's make him Philip's head, like a little point there. There we go, look at that. Now you could take this as far as you want. You could fatten up these letters and give them like little, oh, ooh, I like that. Oh my gosh, that's such a good idea. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That is so perfect. I mean, you could let your kids write dad or grandpa's name or whoever, draw something. How much more meaningful would that be, right? And now it's ready for epoxy. And I'm not even gonna seal it with matte clear. Wait, are you kidding me? Nope, it doesn't need it. Huh, sweet. Hey, I'm gonna need that back. Please, give it back. I will, after I put a quick coat of epoxy on that. And remember, always put things back where you found them. There, that's better. Hey, my cup's back. Sweet. Oh, that's really manly looking. Subscribe. Seriously, socks and sandals help the creative process. You should try it.